If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
The Meow Toxic. I've heard clips of this on IG Reels or TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok or IG, follow me at Just Random Every Day, or It's Dre, something like that. But Meow Toxic, let's get it. Let's go. Captures on 4K. I mean, they got wings now, right? I think I remember the chorus. That's what was highlighted to me more. All right, play.
They will never know the way I feel. Won't give up, but I told you what I need.
I like the intro already. It's pretty simple, but it grabs my attention. Oh, okay. It's a lot different from their first song. Ooh, what is that noise? Oh, I like the stacking. With the synth? Ooh. Wait, what? They don't know you like I do. Ooh, so a toxic relationship? Wow, this is filmed so pretty too. Wow. Ooh.
That you're everything I want, so told you I don't like it how we pick fights, baby. No, I should leave you, but I'ma ride or die, baby. Locked in it, all in it. I should've known, but
ooh, okay. Ooh, I like how it breaks down. Oh, girl, who hurt you? Whoa.
Heaven's not the same without you.
Is that Mirror? What is that? Wait, what they can sing though. What's the story behind this? Like I mean, like the concept of like the wings. I feel like I'm missing something. Obviously, I'll get into it later. Ooh. I do like the song a lot, though. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh, the background vocals too. Closer. You gonna just leave me hanging like that? Hold up. It's such a simple song. It's chill, not overwhelming. Yeah, true. I like that about that. It showcased their vocals. Good for them. Hey. Oh, Naren and Gao. I never learned the girls' names just yet, so this is gonna be my first time. Are the co-lyricists of this masterpiece. So proud of you girls. Anna, Ellen, Suin also did a good job. It's so good. I do like the song. I actually like this relaxed, sad vibe. Me too. I do like that. You know, everything's so intense or like in your face. This one is just like kind of a build up. It's pretty sad though, by the way. No, because whoa, this song is so simple but so good. The lyrics are beautiful and their vocals, they sound so beautiful. The vocals shine in this one, I feel. Ooh, this just makes me want to hear more too. Damn. Oh, they have the lyrics here too. They'll never know the way I feel. Wait, was it all in English too? I just realized that. Why did I not think that? Sometimes I feel like I will never got a taste, so I never read the signs. Driving with the lights, baby, I feel mine over. But you're without a finger. I just wanna make the story stop. Then again, Oh shoot. All English. Let's go. Let's go. It was good. It was good. Together we're so toxic, but your love is something I can't lose. They don't know you like I do. Together we're so toxic, but my life is nothing without you. Yeah, I know you feel it too. Oof, that's such a toxic song. Like, never be in a listen. I don't really know. Never be in a toxic relationship. Once you feel like it's toxic, like, hey, I'm a bounce. That's just me. But my God, do I love a song like this? I'm not gonna lie. Like, I love a good breakup song and a good toxic song. We all thought we knew Korean for a second. Nah. I'm probably the toxic one. Not the realization I might be the toxic one. Oh, Body. What does Body sound like? Whoa! Hey! Hold on, wait a second. It's the difference of bro. What?
Supernatural, 사뿐하게 catwalk, let the ground break. CPR처럼 히든민데 just to set the sound wave. Edit how you want focus for 뭘 물어봐.
Hey, 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 hey.
Meow, babe. Tell them bring it on. 눈 마주치면 be gone. 머리카 shiny long. 내 정신은 laser strong. 원하면 다 bring it on.
Get it. Okay. I like that part right there. That part right there. They released a performance video. I might have to check it out. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Hey. Serve it up like some dinner. Ooh. Oh. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. Woo.
All of you.
Gotta be with the stank face. Hey, hey. Oh, who worked on this? What? Hey, hey, hey. Whoa, hold up. Wait, that was lit, bro. Oh, who was on? Oh, TB Hits. Okay. Tommy, TB Hits, Brown. That's all you had to tell me. That's all you had to tell me. That is all you had. 24 as well, of course. Who is Leather Jacket? Okay, written by Aaliyah Scott. That sounds familiar. Why does that sound familiar? Teddy, Stephen Franks, Theron Thomas, Tommy Brown. Oh, Tommy Brown as well. Marquise Parker, 24. Shit. You said there's a performance video too? Hold on, let me look this up. Meow, Body, performance music video or video. Let's get it, let's go. The dogs are barking, they lit. I'm excited. Oh, they hyping. Woo. Ooh. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Salute. What? Woo! Get it. Get it. You body, body, yeah. Body, body, ooh. Body, body, yeah. Body, body. Ooh! Wait, let me hear that. Let me see that. Hey! That hits hard. Okay, Meow. Poppin'. Hey, yeah, yeah. Woo! Hey! 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 You better. Oh! Oh! Okay! Okay! Hey! Oh shit! The footwork! Oh, she was eating that! You see her tongue out? She was like, I'm gonna eat this up. Watch. Hey! 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 Okay! Hey! Hey! Yeah, that was nasty. Throw your shoes. God damn, Meow. Hold up. Hold the hell up. That was some ish. My God, you got me. You got me, that's for sure. What the hell?
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.